Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook pieces of chicken. First, let's get started with preparation. Always choose fresh chicken pieces like thighs, drumsticks, or breasts. It's crucial to pat them completely dry with paper towels. This helps achieve that wonderfully crispy skin. Then, season your chicken generously with salt, pepper, and any other herbs or spices you love. This simple step adds so much flavor. For a delicious crispy skin, pan frying is an excellent choice. Begin by heating about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, place your seasoned chicken pieces skin side down. Let them sear for 8 to 10 minutes until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust. Then, flip them over and continue cooking for another 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring they are cooked through. If you prefer a hands-off approach that yields incredibly juicy chicken, roasting is perfect. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 200 degrees Celsius. Arrange your seasoned chicken pieces in a single layer on a baking sheet, ensuring they have enough space. Roast them for approximately 25 to 35 minutes. The exact time depends on the size of your pieces, so keep an eye on them. Knowing when your chicken is perfectly cooked is key. The most reliable way is to use a meat thermometer. Insert it into the thickest part of the chicken, avoiding the bone, to ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, it's vital to rest the chicken for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing or serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in much juicier and more flavorful meat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.